Two Hardin County residents were seriously injured when their horse and buggy was struck by a semi Sunday afternoon. According to the Hardin County Sheriff's Office, that crash happened just before 3 yesterday near the intersection of State Route 31 and Township Road 265. A buggy with 25-year-old Levi Yoder and 20-year-old Orpha Yoder pulled out in front of a semi driven by 53-year-old Justin Gabinow. The Yoders were thrown from the buggy when it was hit, and they were taken to Lima Memorial with serious injuries. Gabinow was not injured. The crash remains under investigation.